Hey friends, working on my third lesson in a row on this session. Kind of feeling my mojo even after all of those last curveballs in that last lesson with the price per unit, which is probably the most practical thing I've taught you all year, but we blazed through it. So be it. Okay, we're dividing by tens, hundreds, or thousands. This is the decimal hopping that we've probably talked about, so let's do this. Look at these examples. Remember when we multiplied and we moved all of our place value chips in one direction? Dividing is the opposite. You're dividing by 10. When you are dividing by 10, you're moving every place value marker to the right, or more importantly, you're moving your decimal to the, I imagine all of you screaming, left! And I just assume that to be the case. Same thing when you're dividing, you're moving all of your digits over, but like your decimals functionally moving over one place the other direction as well. Okay? It says what happens to the digits of the decimal when it's divided by 10? Each digit moves one place to the right, or your decimal goes one place to the left. Yeah, we're just going to go on and do this. Okay. Fill out the chart. I'll race you. I'm going to be faster, though, because I'm going to be having it up in 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2. Pause me! Go! I don't know why I paused. That was actually super duper fast. 16 and 3/10, 7 2600ths, and 0 and 29 thousandths. All of your decimal places went like, boop. You guys even saw this on one of your study links. Like, no, study link, oh my gosh, that's everyday math. You guys haven't done that, maybe ever. That's from the old math program. Oh, it's the craziest thing I've said all night. Day, week, month, whatever it might be. All right, boom, moving the decimal in one spot. Hopefully one of your teachers had a good laugh over here in the word study link and didn't get traumatized. Okay. Pause me. No, don't pause me. You just get started on this because I'm about to get, you can pause me, but I'm getting ripped in about 3 seconds. 2, 1. All right, moving that decimal there, 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 that decimal there. 29 and 1/10, 4 and 91 hundredths, 0 and 631 thousandths, 0 and 407 thousandths, 0 and 678 thousandths, and 8 and 902 thousandths. Impressive, isn't it? All right. Ooh, tricky, tricky. Guess what happens when you have incomplete division? It's just multiplication. What did you divide this by to get this? Well, your decimal moved one spot, so it was clearly a 10. Your decimal moved 8, you sneaky, sneaky. 10, 10. There you go. Or this is just doing the multiplying. That times that is that. 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 Opposites. Okay. You can break numbers apart to divide the whole numbers. Dividing 60 by 20. You can do 60 divided by 2 divided by 10. Sure. Also remember, if you're dividing and you have a 0 here and a 0 here, you can cross them off in pairs, one from each number, and then just do 6 divided by 2. Trust me, it works. Because you're doing 60 divided by 10 divided by 2 divided by 10, and you still get 3. It's pretty brilliant, actually. She is very thoughtful. Take a look at this and read it real quickly. To divide decimals by multiples of 10 using the same rule as dividing whole numbers by multiples of 10. Okay. Let's see how I want to approach this on the next slide. 8 divided by 40 equals 8 divided by 4 divided by 10, or 2 divided by 10, or 2/10, or 2/10. 8 tenths divided by 4 divided by 10 equals 2/10 divided by 10, or 0 and now you're moving the decimal one spot, 0 and 2/100. Pause me and just look at that and chew on what I did there. And finally, let's do this last one. Hopefully it's the last one. 8 hundredths divided by 4 is going to be 2 hundredths. Divided by 10 is going to be 2 thousandths. So 8 hundredths divided by 40 is going to be 2 thousandths. Hey, look at that. Oh, hey. Whoo! That's probably your homework. It might be something else. Oh, victory dance. I don't know what the current victory dance is these days. Even at the time of this video, only moves I know are like 5 years old, so I'm not going to try it. Couple workbook pages, most likely what you'll get assigned. Always find the coordinating IXL lessons. Hopefully this link works, but there's no link in the video, so whatever, it doesn't matter. And then do your exit slip. Oh, under 6 minutes. I hope this makes up for the 16-minute debacle from yesterday. Try and give you some of your time and your life back. All right, friends, I think I got one more good video in me. I'm going to go for it and then take another break. Peace out.